can get all his birthday surprises ready. Daddy's birthday cake. We start with butter and sugar and flour. Then we add an egg. And most important of all, the chocolate bits.
Mummy, can I stir?
Yes, Peppa. George, that's enough stirring. There, Daddy Pig's chocolate cake.
Hooray!
Daddy Pig has made a birthday cake.
Happy birthday, Daddy Pig!
Can we all make the pancakes, please?
First, I put some flour in the bowl. Now I add an egg. Now the milk. And I give it all a stir.
Peppa loves stirring. Mummy Pig is going to flip the pancake over.
Hooray!
This first pancake is for George. Mummy Pig pours a little syrup on George's pancake.